Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very beautiful ribbing pattern for you. You can use this pattern in any sweater, caps, shawls. From wrong side our pattern will look like this. This ribbing is useful in fancy sweaters. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 4 stitches plus 2 stitches to complete the pattern and plus 2 stitches for border, and this pattern is made of 2 rows. Our pattern begins from wrong side, slip first stitch and then knit 2 stitches. From here our repeat pattern starts. Now purl 2 stitches together and make 5 stitches out of them. Purl, yarn over, again purl same stitch, yarn over and again purl same stitch. So here we have created 5 stitches. Now leave these 2 stitches from left needle. Now again knit 2 stitches. This is our first repeat pattern. Now again second repeat, purl 2 stitches together and make 5 stitches out of them. Purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over and again purl 1. Now knit 2 stitches. This is our second repeat pattern. Now third repeat, purl 2 stitches together and make 5 stitches out of them. Purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over and purl same stitch again, and now slip these 2 stitches from left needle. Now knit next 2 stitches. Repeat this pattern till the end of the row. Here we have completed our first row from wrong side. Now second row from front side. Slip first edge stitch and then purl 2 stitches. 1 and 2. Now start repeat pattern. From this bunch of 5 stitches, knit first 2 stitches together using back loop. Now knit remaining 3 stitches together using back loop. Like this. After that purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. This is our first repeat pattern. Now again second repeat pattern. Knit first 2 stitches together using back loop. Now knit remaining 3 stitches together using back loop. Like this. Now purl 2 stitches. Knit first 2 stitches together using back loop. Now knit remaining 3 stitches together using back loop and then purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Repeat this pattern till the end of the row. After few repeats, our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then like and share it, and if you are watching my video for the first time, then please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. Meet you soon in my next video. Till then, bye friends. Bye bye. See you.